When data is not normally distributed, then the mean and the standard deviation aren't necessarily good summaries. An example of data that is not normally distributed are salaries. So using our library, we have a data set with the salaries of executives. We can make that histogram just to get an idea of what that distribution looks like, and we can see it looks nothing like normal. There's a lot of executives getting paid between 0 and 250, and then there are some that are getting paid a lot more than that. So if we make a QQ norm, we'll see immediately that it does not follow a normal distribution, not even close. We have what statisticians call a fat right tail. There's points that are much, much larger than expected if the data were normally distributed. So if we were going to describe this data set to someone, we would not tell them the mean and the standard deviation because it would not really give you a good idea of the distribution of the data. So more generally, the box plot, which is a plot that shows you 5 numbers and also outliers, which we won't describe today, is a much better summary. The box plot, it's a very simple idea. It shows you the median. That's going to be this line here. We see that the median is around 50, which is quite different from the mean. Let's look at what the mean is. And that the median is. So the median is about half what the mean is. So then we have the 25th percentile in here and the 75th percentile. So this box here is showing us where 50% of the data is, where the middle half of the data is included in this range here. Then we have the range of the data. However, the box plot implementation in R has a way of defining what are called outliers, and the help file describes it pretty in some detail. You can look at that, and you can see that there's some outliers here. But in general, the box plot is a very nice graphical way of displaying displaying some summaries about the data, basically these 5 numbers.